Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and if you like Lego, you are going to love this budget-friendly Lego party I'm sharing today. When my boys were 6 and 4, they were obsessed with Lego, so when it came time to throw them a joint birthday, there was no question that Lego would be the theme. I designed an invitation at pickmonkey.com, and I used a picture of my boys holding giant Lego people that I made using pieces of foam board from the dollar store. Then at the party, I used the Lego people as decor. I think they turned out super cute and they were really easy to make. I like to give guests something to do while they're waiting for everyone else to arrive. For this Lego party, I had this design your own Lego man printable that they decorated while they were waiting. I have this for free to download on my blog, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Once everyone had arrived at the party, I took out the supplies for everyone to decorate their own Lego cookies. I had rectangular cookies, icing in various colors, and Skittles for the dots on the Legos. I think they turned out super cute. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? I also gave the kids some giant life-size Legos to play with. I took a bunch of boxes out of my recycling bin. I wrapped them up in bright colored wrapping paper, added some cardstock dots that were attached with mounting tape so they had a little bit of a 3D effect, and they were super cute and fun. I also made a pin the head on the Lego Man game for the kids to play. I have a free download for this template on my blog, and I'll leave a link in the description below. The kids also really enjoyed this beanbag toss that I made using an old skate box that I had in my garage. Balloon tennis is another great activity. Kids like to move, so this game is perfect. Use duct tape to attach craft sticks to plates, add a Lego head, and blow up some balloons. Put on some music and have fun. Another super easy game to play at a Lego party is to get a dollar store jar and fill it with pieces of Lego. Then the kids all take turns guessing the number of Lego pieces in the jar, and the person that guessed the closest wins the jar of Lego. I love a piñata at a party. So for my Lego party, I decided to make a Lego Ninjago piñata. I used a balloon, covered it in paper mache, painted it, and added a mask. And that was it. And keeping with the Lego Ninjago theme, I made a Lego Ninjago cake. It was just a round cake. I frosted it with red icing and added a simple mask. It was really easy to make, and I think it turned out super cute. I also made this Lego cake. I took a rectangular cake, frosted it blue, and added Oreos to the top that were also frosted blue. Easy peasy. I am definitely not a professional cake decorator, but these cakes were really easy to make and my boys loved them. And they looked super cute on the food table. Of course, every party needs a party favor, and for this party, I bought these molds from Amazon. I filled them with chocolate and popped them out to make little Lego pieces. Then I made cupcakes, frosted them in primary colors, and added the chocolate Lego pieces to the top. I packaged them up in plastic containers, added a thank you note from my boys, and they were ready to go home with our guests. I think this was a super cute party. My boys had a fantastic time, as did their guests, and I highly recommend Lego as a theme. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post a future video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye.